washback is the impact a test has on teaching and learning. So we know the words on what teachers choose to teach and on what students or test takers choose to learn. Positive washback means the preparation that students are doing for the test leads to overall language proficiency that can be transferred to real-life settings. So tests like IELTS that test general communicative ability rather than academic literacy, we hope that by preparing for the test, students will be able to then use these skills in the university setting. Tests that promote preparation, which lends itself to test wiseness strategies, to gaming question types, to memorizing templates, and that don't promote real communication. This is negative washback, because beyond the test taker isn't prepared for the real life environment, for university. Washback doesn't just stop at test preparation, it shows up on campus. This can result in reduced academic support costs because students are better prepared. It can mean better overall student well-being, a better student experience. And this can result in better academic outcomes and obviously in better progression for students. The right test that has a positive washback ensures that students arrive at university ready to integrate, to thrive academically, and to engage socially beyond the classroom, and to have a better overall student experience.